Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
This video shows the only reliable way to connect Windows 10 to Server 2016. You must prepare the server and client before joining. Install Active Directory, domain services on Windows Server 2016, and assign a static IP. Configure DNS on Server 2016 and ensure it resolves host names for clients. Confirm network ports for DNS and LDAP are reachable from the Windows 10 computer. Gather domain administrator credentials to authorize the machine join operation later. On Server 2016, open Server Manager and add the Active Directory Domain Services role. Promote the server to a domain controller and create your domain name during promotion. Configure DNS with a forward lookup zone matching that domain and create necessary records. Verify the server firewall allows UDP and TCP on port 53 and TCP on port 389 from the client network. Reboot the server if prompted to finalize Active Directory and DNS changes. On the Windows 10 client, open network adapter settings and set DNS to the server IP. Restart the client network connection or reboot to apply the new DNS settings. Open System Properties and click Change to join the domain. Enter the domain name you created. When prompted, provide domain administrator credentials to authorize the join operation. After joining, restart the client and log in with a domain user account to verify successful connection and group policy application.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.